Hi, I'm Winston the Solopreneur Warrior, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through a fairly new tool that claims with just one button, you can blast your affiliate links to 6 viral sources for free traffic and sales in just 60 seconds. I'm going to show you how the tool works so that you can judge for yourself if this is a right tool for you or your business. I've also put together a bonus page for you if you decide to pick this app through my link, and the link is in the description area below this video. But first, if this is your first time to this channel and you're interested in making monies online as an affiliate marketer, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. In a nutshell, the Affiliate Robot app is a web-based app that will allow you to use your videos or someone else's video on YouTube, upload it to a page run by the owners of the Affiliate Robot app, and then in the video within that page, you have the option to add up to 4 different direct affiliate product links within the video. These 4 affiliate links will pop up as cards within the video while it's playing, so that when viewers click on any of the pop-ups, it will take them straight to the sales page of the product via your affiliate link, and when anyone makes a purchase, you make money. Now I'm going to show you how all that works in a second, but first I would like to draw your attention to one weakness of this tool. You see, although it says here on their sales page about blasting your affiliate links to 6 viral sources for free traffic, I personally will not recommend you to do that because you might get your social accounts banned, which is why I've put together some bonuses on how to get targeted free traffic to the affiliate video pages you'll be creating using the Affiliate Robot app. So you want to click on the link in the description area below this video, and it will take you to this Affiliate Robot bonus page I've put together. Now, while you're on this page at any time, if you decide to buy the Affiliate Robot app, simply scroll down and click on any of these orange buttons and you'll be taken to the sales page of the Affiliate Robot app, where you'll be able to pick it up. So you'll be getting not 1 but 2 traffic courses that you can get into and choose which method best fits your promotion. The next bonus is a $0 to $100 in 24-hour system. This is one of Jono Armstrong's product. I think this product is selling online, but you'll be getting it here for free. I also dropped this in because since you can use the Affiliate Robot app to build a list, you don't want to start off by paying that high monthly cost for the ClickFunnels app, do you? So you can get this offer to find out a great alternative to ClickFunnels. And finally, you'll be getting the A to Z guide on product launching, and you can get all these products together with the bonuses offered on the sales page by clicking any of these orange buttons to get to the sales page. If you make a purchase through any of these buttons, you'll find all these bonuses in the product delivery page by clicking on the blue button below the product delivery button. Now check out this short video clip on how Affiliate Robot works. So after logging into the app, this is how the dashboard will look like. Now, like I mentioned before, this is a tool you can start using to make passive income even if you don't have a website. You'll be using this tool to create video pages that is hosted by the owners of this product, and you have the option of adding your affiliate links within the videos on the page. So again, you don't need any website, you don't have to create any videos if you don't want, you don't need any experience to get started. Actually, the tool is straightforward and easy to use. To get started, click on the Create Video tab and you'll be taken to this page with 2 specific types of template. You have the sales template and the leads template, which means you can also use this tool to capture leads, and that's powerful. In this case, I'll be using the sales template since I just want to add affiliate links. On the next page, you want to add the link to the video you want to use. Now, when you do that, this app will pull the video from YouTube and display it here. Remember that this can be your video or someone else's video. It's allowed because all you're doing is promoting another person's video while benefiting from it. Simple. When you have your video uploaded, click on the next button, and here you want to add your video title, descriptions and tags just like you will normally do on YouTube. The last option here is to choose the number of affiliate links you would like to promote within the video. You have up to 4 different options. You can click on the next button when you are finished, and the next page will be where you start adding the products you want to promote. So here you can enter the product title, description, price of the product, and the affiliate link. You can also add the product image using this feature. As you can see here, if you click on the product you just added, it will pop up on the video screen. Now on the next step, you can customize how you would like the pop-up to look within the video. You also have the option of adding your social links within the video. Now if you have everything ready, just hit the submit button and your video page will be created. The app also gives you the option to embed any video you created on any HTML platform. So all you have to do now is start sending traffic to the page and start making affiliate commissions. Again, I've put together a bonus page with some traffic courses if you decide to pick this up through my link. And with all that, I'll call this video a wrap. I hope it was another helpful video. If so, hit the like button below, share on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another helpful video.